Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope all of you are doing great. Welcome to all of you in phrasal verb series. आज phrasal verb की सीरीज में हम सेट 1 में कुछ phrasal verb को डिस्कस करेंगे और इनके डिफरेंट एग्जांपल्स मीनिंग्स के एतबार से देखेंगे जो हमारी कम्युनिकेशन को बेटर करेंगे. फर्स्ट phrasal verb is act on or act upon. Act on or act upon mean to take action according to a suggestion or advice or information received. मीन के किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन सजेशन की बेस पे आप किसी चीज पर जब अमल करते हैं तो एट दैट टाइम एक्ट ऑन और एक्ट अपॉन यूज करते हैं. इन अ सेंटेंस वी कैन से द पुलिस इमीडिएटली एक्टेड ऑन द एनोनिमस टिप एंड caught the suspect. In another example, we can say you should always act upon the guidance of your mentors to avoid mistakes. Next phrasal verb is act on. Act on mean होता है असर डालना, to have a psychological or physical effect or impact on something. किसी चीज पर असर डालना. Like this medicine acts on the central nervous system to relieve pain quickly. In another example, we can say extreme cold weather can act on car batteries and make them less powerful. Next phrasal verb is act out. Act out mean to express or demonstrate your inner feelings or emotions or thoughts through your behavior or performance. किसी एहसास या जज्बे के मुताबिक अमल करना, शो करवाना, ये हमारे पास act out कहलाता है. In a sentence, we can say, he acted out his heartfelt feelings of grief. In another example, instead of talking about his frustration, the child acted out by throwing his toys. Next phrasal verb is act for. Act for mean to represent someone or look after, or we can say perform a duty on their behalf. इनके किसी की नुमाइंदगी करना एक्ट फॉर कहलाता है. During the CEO absence, the vice president will act for her in all corporate meetings. In another sentence, we can say here, the defense lawyer is hired to act for the accused in a court of law. We can as well say, one student will act for the whole class. Next phrasal verb is act up to. Act up to mean to live up to or meet, or we can say equal standards. Promise और expectations की बेस पे आप यूज करते हैं. यानी इन चीजों के मुताबिक काम करना. To live up, or we can say to promise, or expectations की बेस पे. In a sentence, we can use like, the new smartphone failed to act up to the hype created by its advertisement. In another example, we can say here, he worked incredibly hard to act up to his reputation as the top student. We must act up to the expectations of our parents. ये भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं. In another phrasal verb is act under. Act under mean to perform an action because you are bound by rules, authorities or specific commands. किसी के मातहत काम करना act under कहलाता है. The soldiers were acting under strict orders not to open fire unless provoked. In another sentence, we can say, the committee is acted under the direct supervision of ministry. The same like this, we should act under the orders of our seniors. Next phrasal verb is count for. Account for mean to give a satisfactory reason, explanation or justification for something that happened, particularly an error or in case of failure. यानी वजाहत करना किसी चीज की account for कहलाता है. The manager asked the accountant to account for the missing funds in the budget. In another example, we can use like heavy fog count for the severe delay of flights this morning. We can raise a question like this: will you account for your failure? This is an appropriate usage of these phrasal verbs. Learn these phrasal verb by heart. इनके मीनिंग्स को यूज करें और अपने डेली रूटीन में इनका यूज करें. अगर आप अपनी कम्युनिकेशन में और सेंटेंसेस में इनको यूज करते हैं, ये आपकी पर्सनैलिटी को, आपकी कम्युनिकेशन को और राइटिंग्स को इनहेंस कर देते हैं और इफेक्टिव बना देते हैं. ये सिर्फ आपकी स्टडीज में आपको हेल्प आउट नहीं करते, आपकी प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में भी आपकी पर्सनैलिटी को भी डेवलप करते हैं. So let's learn these phrasal verbs and use in your daily routine. So best of luck. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेट में इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. तो इस लेक्चर को सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो जरूर कर लें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक पहुंचती रहें. थैंक यू. स्टे ब्लेस्ड.